Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna actually put in the tail lights. They actually came in the mail, and I'm gonna show you guys a quick glimpse of what they look like. So we're gonna be doing the installment video. There's only 2 bolts that we gotta get in order for the whole symbol to come out.
Once you get the bolts out, then you pull it. It's supposed to snap out once you. Sometimes they can be stubborn. Oh, it had to come out to the side. That's not that way. We pull straight out, that's why. Alright, well, that we got that now. And the real brittle stuff. Alright. Now, we don't take these bulbs and we don't replace these bulbs with a set of LED bulbs. Supposed to make the reverse lights brighter, which we don't see how they do. Yeah, we don't put it in. It goes in like this. Alright. Now where I mounted in the truck, I'm gonna make sure it works. And it's not working. Now, why is that?
So, if you actually have that in backwards, it's not gonna work. It only goes in one way.
Well, went in both ways it did, but it didn't work, so I took it out and flipped it around, tried it, and it's working.
But there you have it, pretty bright.
Yeah. Now we just hopefully at nighttime we'll see a little bit dark.
This is what the old taillight looks like. This is actually what we're putting in.
Up is we got to figure out where we got to mount this. We got to. I guess it's something to do with the lights to make them flash, to make them LED. We got to figure a place where to mount that at, because where I was going to mount it, right here on the light, but that ain't going to work. No, you can't mount it there because you have this bar that goes right there. So I got to figure where I'm going to put this at. I guess it can go behind it. I mean, it's the only place I can think of.
We're looking here, since it's got that, I guess it's like a relay box, but we're gonna try to mount it right in here on the frame, on the body right there. But first we gotta clean it up because it's got double-sided tape, so we want to make sure that it'll stick good. Alright, so I think that got it there. So what we're doing here is actually putting the relay box in there behind the metal frame instead. And then we're going to take a zip tie to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere.
Let's do it this way.
Now we're actually putting the light in.
Now we're supposed to take all this. Get up in there. Then you turn it back in, lock it in. That waterproofs it. Now we'll put the reverse lights in. Alright, that's in. Don't we'll have to plug this back in. It only goes one way, I guess. Yeah, there we go. Now we got it. No way. Now let's before you mount it back up in there, let's make sure it's working still.
It's working.
Alright.
Yep, working.
You work? How about that's the first light?
Yep, it's working.
Alright. So one's done. Just gotta get it mounted now. Get that.
Alright, so that's that one. Now we got one more to go.
Yeah, that looks pretty bright, them reverse lights now. I think I might be able to see the back up with those now. Because when you got dark tinted windows, it makes it a little harder to see the back up when your lights ain't that bright. But Patrick, why don't you go and hit the brake so I can see what it looks like with the brake lights on? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like that. I like that. Now people should be able to see me now when I hit the brakes and everything. Now we good, Patrick.
So we're gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to put taillights in. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to subscribe and also hit that notification bell if you want to get notified when I upload new videos.